In this problem, we have three inductors in series. We are just going over the basics of inductance for this video, and we have these three that we're going to look at. We know that inductors and resistors are very similar in that resistors in parallel have a specific formula, which is the same for inductors in parallel. Same thing goes for series. The inductors in series is the same formula for a resistor in series, where we just add them together. So this is what we're going to do here. All we're going to be doing is adding the 2.5 millihenries, the 8.0 millihenries, and the 1.6 millihenries. After we do that, we are going to get 12.1. So our L equivalent is going to be 12.1 millihenries for this problem. Just looking at the diagram, it's important to note that voltage drop is normally in the same direction as our current. For it to be positive, we can see our current's going to the right, and our voltage drop is in from the positive and out of the negative. If you want more intro to circuit analysis problems, there's a playlist in the description, and if you want notes for any of these problems or the entire course material, they'll also be in the description.